As the world's largest producer of bromine and bromine-based products, ICL is committed to promoting sustainability and developing technologies that benefit our worldwide clients. Introducing BromoQuel, a highly innovative extinguisher that helps neutralize bromine leakage incidents quickly and safely. Operating instructions.
The handling of the bromine spill should be conducted while using the appropriate protective equipment
and according to the material safety data sheet. Make sure that the pressure gauge needle is in the green range. Keep in upright position. Rotate the safety pin to break the plastic tie and release. Aim the nozzle towards the spill source at a 30 to 45 degree angle in an upright position.
Firmly press the handle. Spray all the contents uniformly above the spill area. The effective spraying range is up to 12 meters.
The extinguisher and its contents are intended for one-time use only. Do not reuse after initial use. Maintenance instructions. Once a month, verify that the pressure gauge needle is in the green range. Make sure the plastic tie around the safety pin is intact. Once a month, visually check the integrity of the extinguisher. Use only a damp rag to clean the extinguisher. The extinguisher and its contents can only be used for 5 years from the stamped date. BromoQuel was designed with sustainability in mind. At ICL, we are proud to assist you in protecting the well-being of your employees. ICL, impact for a sustainable future.